Going for a run is one of the best ways to stay active. Not only is running an excellent form of cardio, but it can be a blast to see different parts of your city or area just by making your way through trails. Strava is one of the best ways to track your runs, ensuring you have an accurate record of your mileage, calories burned, heart rate, and everything else you would want to know about your run. Of course, sometimes you forget to properly track your run, like starting tracking late or forgetting to start the app at all. Thankfully, editing your distance is pretty simple, so grab your phone and open the app to get started. By default, Strava makes it difficult to edit a pre-existing run in order to make it longer. But if you're trying to make a run shorter instead, in case you accidentally left your phone tracking in the background, that's super easy. Inside the app, select the U tab along the top of the feed, then select the run you want to edit. In the top right corner, select the triple dotted menu icon, then select Crop from the list of options. Cropping a run allows you to reduce your run, either replacing where you started or where you ended, depending on your chosen method. Just use the sliders along the bottom of the app to adjust where your run ends or begins, then hit Save to adjust your run. If you're trying to lengthen your run record, you'll need to add your additional activity manually. In the Feed tab, select the plus icon in the top left corner of the app, then select Manual Activity. Adjust the when to move your manual activity to either before or after your run, then add the time and distance you ran during that period. While this isn't the same as editing a run directly, it does allow you to include mileage you traveled before you remembered to begin tracking your run. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Strava and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.